Ruto puoyo medo osach jotije piny owacho matie bwo jagoro kata jogoro kochakore odiechieng' makiny. Meto ni otimgi e kind 7 nyaka 10. Mae owacho ni timo kiluwo osara moketie pinje mangima ne jotije mag piny owacho. Omedo kwayo duol marango jotije piny owacho mondo tim nonro mag jotend riwruoge mag piny owacho.
I know there is a proposal by the Salaries and Remuneration Commission for the increase of salaries of different cadres of both civil servants and other public servants. They have made a recommendation to us that they want to increase salaries of civil servants by an average of between 7% and 10%, and that is from office assistants all the way to people who serve below the PSS. And because of the economic times we live in, we have approved that salaries of other civil servants can be adjusted beginning tomorrow.
Kwan mag jogo machulo